If you're wondering what herbal teas are good for you, then this video is for you. Yeah, we know that herbal teas are good for our body, but to get the best out of it, you have to drink it in the afternoon. So the first one is tea with raspberry leaves. Raspberry leaves help to normalize the comfortable state of women during menstruations. It also helps restore bowel functions, and its valuable vitamins are best for our immune system. The second one is basil tea. Basil improves our breath odor by suppressing pathogenic flora in the mouth. Also, it contains antioxidants that can slow down the aging of our body and strengthen the immune system. The third one is blooming sally tea. This tea contains tannins, flavonoids, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that are really helpful to restore the correct functioning of the body and build immunity. The fourth one is sage tea. Sage helps protect against development of life-threatening diseases. It also acts as an anti-aging supplement. The fifth and the last one is strawberry leaves tea. This tea really beneficial for our cardiovascular systems to prevent heart diseases. It also removes excess salt, toxin, and sage slags from our body. Its vitamin C strengthens the immune system of our body. So if you like this video, please stay tuned with Health App by pressing the subscribe button with the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, be healthy, be happy always.